Here is part of an interview with the subject just before LSD is to be administered.
What is up, guys? This is EVO X Eric, and today I'll be doing an unbox of the RPM roll bar for the EVO X. See if it fits. See, we got all kinds of bolts, plates, stuff I don't know what it is. Haven't even unboxed this thing yet. Let's see if I can squeeze it in there. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. We'll see. Well, as you can see, it took me 10 minutes to even take half the plastic off. Still have some on there. Nonetheless, it looks good. They wrapped it up pretty good. No scratches. So, well, I left some of the rest of the stuff on so I can put it in the back of there and see if it fits before I start scratching anything up. Here's an update so far. So far it's fitting in the back. I don't know how, don't ask me. But I slid it up and over the door. And there. Let's see if I can get it in a little more. Alright, here's an update. It fits. Looks good. It's really tight. But I had to take out the front seat, so I recommend you guys take out the front seats, all the seats, get it in, bring it in the front way. Alright, so far I got the cage bolted down in the back. It's pretty good, pretty solid. A little time consuming with every bolt, and there's no instructions how to put that in, so pretty much have to go by what the bag says. The bag's labeled. So like these bolts go in the wheel wells, and the other bag says main hoop, which is this portion right here. You need to bolt this piece right here to the floor first, and then what you need to do is line it up, put the door bar in here, go ahead, drill your holes. They don't automatically come with holes, you have to drill your own holes. So you'll drill your holes, put the screw through, and then it should line up here. And then you have to drill your own holes. That's what I'm working on right now. And then this pin right here is going to slide in there just like that. Alright. One thing I like about the RPM roll bars is that they guarantee you certification that you'll pass at the track. That goes a long way because most of the roll bars that they put in production, such as Autopower, any other bolt-in roll cages, they can't really guarantee you that it'll pass test. So this is one thing I like about RPM roll bars. If you got any questions, they answer, good customer feedback. I actually ordered this roll bar right off TPS Motorsports, right off their website, and I'll post the link down in the description so you guys can click on the link. It gives you options. You don't have to order this exact cage. You can get a 6-point, 4-point, I think there's 5-point, I'm not sure, can't remember. And then they custom order it, make it, and it takes about probably a month or two to get here. That's the unfortunate part. So it takes a while to get here, but they offer free shipping. I paid $2,300 total for the whole entire thing. I couldn't be happier with it. So $2,300 for a cage that'll allow you to run down the track and looks good in a tight fit. I'll take it. Wasn't too bad to install. I will be more than glad to answer any questions that you guys have, because I know a lot of people don't have these cages in the EVO. They're mostly known for Corvettes, Mustangs, Camaros, stuff like that, all the V8 muscle cars. So if you guys got any questions, I will be glad to answer them. Just comment down below and I'll message you or whatever. So to really put this thing to the test, I say we do some pulls and make sure it doesn't fly out the back window.